Good afternoon, everyone. It is Friday, third period at Kyushu Institute of Technology in Iizuka. This is English 6C. And it is January 20th. So this is the last chance that we will have to have a class where you can practice for your speaking test. So I have to make sure that everybody is in groups. We'll do that after I do this English explanation. You don't actually have a lot of work this week. Basically, if you look at the remaining amount of things that you have to do, you basically just have to download your homework answers, make sure that you have those ready for the test. Then you have your last reflection. And that reflection is very easy. It just basically asks you, what do you think of English now? Finish the class. What did you learn? What are your goals, especially your long-term, your short-term, your mid-term goals? These are all a little bit different. I want you to remember, especially in this class, is this. You speak English. You do. If at the beginning of this class you are convinced that I can't do English, you're wrong. Speak English. Now, okay, maybe your English is bad, but as I told you last week, well, that's okay. My Japanese is bad. My Japanese is bad, but I still speak Japanese. I teach in Japanese. I live in Japan. And I keep speaking Japanese, so my Japanese keeps going up. Now, if you are convinced English is bad, so I don't want to speak English, I guarantee you, 100% guaranteed, if you stop speaking English because you're shy, all of the studying you did in junior high school, in this university, will stop, and you will forget all your English. Please learn this from this class. You speak English. How well you speak English is your decision. Keep speaking English, your English will improve. You stop speaking English, then your English goes down the toilet. Okay, looking at the schedule, next week is the speaking test here on the 27th. And I just want you to make sure that, remember, that's a test. I want you to come to class on time. Come on the earlier train. Don't come late. Come on the earlier bus and make sure that you're here with your group. Now, the week after that is our written test. It's written, but basically it's on Moodle. That'll use the Safe Exam browser, and it is on demand. So it's an on-demand test, which means that you don't really need me. You can use this room, and or if you're at home, you can do the test at home. The test will be available only from 1 o'clock until 2:30, 90 minutes only. The rules of the test are the same. Don't touch your phone. Don't talk to other people. It's on demand, so I won't be here, but I trust you. You're adults. I don't need to watch you because I'm pretty sure you're not going to cheat. It's actually pretty hard to cheat on this test. It's very similar to the test last, oh, that's right, you guys didn't take my semester, but it's very similar to the midterm test. And, just make sure your headphones are working, okay? Make sure that your earphones or your headsets are working properly. A lot of the problems my students have is that their earphones aren't working properly or they did not check them before they launched the Safe Exam browser. You must check that those headphones are working properly. If you're going to use the computer in this room, make sure that you have enough power on your battery, or that you bring your charger for the test. Okay, I think that's, and the last thing is, please don't forget, last week, where is it here? There it is. Don't forget to submit your TOEIC certificates. So far, I think only 9 people. Let's see. Oh, this is for students out. Let's see. Let's change this over to my normal role. Yeah, only 8 people. Only 8 people have submitted their TOEIC tests. Please make sure that you submit your TOEIC tests tonight. TOEIC test certificates tonight. Okay. If you don't have any questions, we can go on to the practice part of this. Be careful about your tests. If you do have any questions, make sure you contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, come and talk to me here. Good luck with this class. Good luck with your tests, everyone.